Arkansas stones are a classic way to sharpen knives and tools. Carved from the earth, these dense, natural stones will give you a razor-sharp edge. These stones took over the sharpening industry in the 1800s and are still one of the best natural stones used today. David here with Sharpening Supplies, and we've put together the perfect kit that lets you get the most out of these natural sharpening stones. Let's dig in. Our Ultimate Plus Oil Stone Kit includes a double-sided aluminum oxide stone that is 8 by 2 inches in size, has a coarse side and a fine side, and this is a great place to start when you need some faster cutting power. The stone material is tightly packed and will stay flat for extended use. While this stone is easy to keep clean, we do recommend using the honing oil to float any debris while you're sharpening. This stone will allow you to bring back a dull edge quick before refining it with the finer Arkansas stones. Now we can focus on making the edge sharper. Arkansas stones are natural stones cut from a quarry, and they have a high concentration of microcrystalline quartz. Arkansas stones are graded by density instead of grit size. These stones are also very slow wearing. Here at Sharpening Supplies, we test the Arkansas stones alongside water stones, and we found that the soft Arkansas is about equivalent of 600 to 800 grit. The hard Arkansas is the equivalent of 800 to 1,000 grit. Soft Arkansas is usually distinguishable from the hard Arkansas because of the slightly darker color. Every Arkansas stone can look a little different, but the hard Arkansas stone is usually lighter in color. The Arkansas stone in this kit is 8 by 2 by 1 inch. First use the soft Arkansas stone to improve the edge, then follow up with the hard Arkansas stone for the most refined and sharp edge. While water won't hurt these stones, we do recommend using honing oil to keep that debris from building up on the surface of the stone. When you purchase your Ultimate Plus Oil Stone Kit, you'll have the option of selecting your strop size. The extra large double-sided paddle strop is my favorite strop to use. It's 12 by 3 inches in size, has a suede side and a smooth side. You can also select the smaller 8 by 2 inch strop if it's more convenient. The included green honing compound is used on the suede side of the strop to improve the stropping speed. First use the suede side of the strop, then hone the edge on the smooth leather for the finest, most polished edge. If you want to find out more about leather strops, check the link in the description. This kit is made in the USA and offers everything that you need for a classic, time-tested sharpening experience. Please subscribe to our channel for more sharpening tips, tricks, and techniques.